In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use layout pages on Squarespace 7.1 Fluid Engine. We'll start right from the dashboard. First, log into your Squarespace account and open your site's home menu. From there, click Website to access your site content. Next, head into the Pages panel. This is where you'll manage your navigation and add new pages. To create a new page, click the plus icon. When the options appear, choose Page Layouts. This is the gateway to Squarespace's ready-made designs as well as blank canvases. You can either add a blank page if you want total control from scratch, or pick one of the pre-designed templates tailored for different purposes, like a portfolio, contact page, or an about section. If you see a layout called Highlight or another design that matches your goal, click it to select and create your page. Give your page a clear name so you can recognize it in the navigation, and keep the URL slug short and readable for visitors. Once your page is created, click Edit to open the Fluid Engine editor. This is where the fun begins. At the top or between existing content, click Add Section. You'll see a library of pre-built sections: hero banners, galleries, testimonials, footers, and a blank section. Choose a pre-built section to move faster with a solid structure, or pick blank section if you prefer to design your layout element by element. It helps to understand how Fluid Engine structures your page. Pages are made of sections stacked vertically, and each section is built on a grid. That grid gives you precise control over placement and spacing while keeping everything aligned and responsive. Click inside any section to add content blocks. You can insert text, images, buttons, forms, videos, and more. After adding a block, use the drag and drop interface to position it anywhere on the grid. You can resize blocks by dragging their handles and even overlap elements for layered designs. As you arrange content, watch for smart guides to help with alignment and consistent spacing. If you want quick layout inspiration, use the View Layouts button on the section toolbar. Squarespace will show you arrangement suggestions that automatically reflow your existing content. It's a great way to test different compositions without rebuilding anything. You can always switch back or fine-tune after applying a layout. When you're happy with your design, click Save to publish your changes. As a best practice, give your page a quick check on desktop and mobile to confirm spacing and readability look just right. That's it. Your layout page is live and built with Fluid Engine's flexible grid-based tools.